Hello children, today we will learn the poem Vah Chidiya Jo. This is written by Shri Kedarnath Agrawal. In this poem, the poet assumes that he is a tiny blue-feathered sparrow. He will be describing amazing qualities of this sparrow and wants us to adopt these qualities in our life. So, let's start, children. Take your pencils and note down all the hard word meanings in your textbook so that we can understand the poem nicely. So, chidiya means sparrow, chonch means beak, marker means to peck, दूध भरे means filled with milk. जुंडी के दाने means grains of ज्वार. Yes. रुचि से means with interest. रस से means with pleasure. See, don't get confused with this word ras because ras will have different meanings at different places. Like we take like sugarcane juice, so we say गन्ने का रस. ठीक है? So रस means juice also, or we used to say आम रस, okay, mango juice. But here the meaning is different. रस से means with pleasure. Okay. Then खा लेती है means eats. वह means that. छोटी means small. संतोषी means satisfied. चिड़िया means you know. नीले means blue. नीले पंखों वाली means with blue feathers. पंखों means feathers. मैं means I. अन्न means food. And बहुत means very. प्यार means love. So now let's understand the meaning of whole stanza. वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर दूध भरे झुंडी के दाने रुचि से रस से खा लेती है. The sparrow which eats the grains of jowar which are filled with milk. The sparrow pecks with its beak and eats the grains of jowar with interest. It eats. How does it eat? It eats with interest. It eats with pleasure. The grains which are filled with milk. वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. That bird is satisfied bird. That small satisfied bird with blue feathers. So I am that small satisfied bird and I love the food very much. Let's move on to next stanza. वह चिड़िया जो कंठ खोलकर, कंठ means throat, खोलकर means open. बूढ़े old, वन बाबा means ancient forest. के खातिर means for the sake of. रस उड़ेलकर, see here रस again. Here रस उड़ेलकर means here the meaning is sweetness. Okay, that is the beauty of Hindi language. उड़ेलकर means pour. Okay, it will pour the sweetness. गा लेती है means sings. वह that. छोटी means small. Okay, now here see, मुंह means mouth and बोली means language, but here the meaning is different. मुंह बोली, when we say all together, this means मुंह बोली means so called sparrow. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. I am the blue feathered. मुझे okay, नीले पंखों means blue feathered, that I already told. Yes, मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. Vision means, here the vision means jungle. प्यार means love. Correct? Now let's see the meaning of the whole stanza. वह चिड़िया जो कंठ खोलकर बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर रस उड़ेल कर गा लेती है. The bird which opens its throat or sings full throated. Here we can say kant kholkar means full throated. Full throated means when someone is singing with strong emotions, pouring strong emotions. It is called full throated. So kant kholkar. The bird is singing. The bird is opening its throat or singing full throated. For the sake of whom? For the sake of old and ancient forest. And गा लेती है. It sings with by pouring sweetness. Okay, so the meaning, the bird is singing with sweetness for the sake of old ancient forest. वह छोटी मुंह बोली चिड़िया, नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. I am that so-called sparrow with blue feathers and I love the jungle very much. Correct? Now let's see the third stanza. वह चिड़िया जो, the bird which, चोंच मारकर, चोंच means beak, we already saw, मारकर means to peck. चढ़ी नदी, okay, here चढ़ी नदी means what? Fast flowing river. का दिल टटोल कर, okay, actually दिल means heart and टटोलना means to search. But here again the meaning is different. As I already told, this is the beauty of Hindi language. The words will have different meanings that we have to make out from the given context. So, Dil Tatolkar means asking permission. Here, the meaning is asking permission. Jal means water. Moti means pearl. Okay, but here the meaning is water droplets, tiny water droplets. ले जाती है means takes. वह means that, छोटी means small, गर्बीली means proud, चिड़िया means sparrow, नीले पंखों वाले blue feathered, नदी means river. Okay, now let's see the whole meaning. वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर चढ़ी नदी का दिल टटोलकर जल का मोती ले जाती है. The bird which takes the tiny droplets of water from the fast flowing river after asking permission means the bird will dive into the water, the fast flowing river, and take the very very tiny water droplets from inside as if they are taking after asking permission. They will take as much as they need only. वह छोटी गर्बीली चिड़िया, नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे नदी से बहुत प्यार है. I am that blue feathered proud sparrow. I am that blue feathered small proud sparrow and I love the river very much. Now let's see what all qualities the poet is asking us to adopt. In this first stanza we saw Santoshi Chidiya. Santoshi Chidiya, the bird is satisfied. The bird is satisfied in the food, whatever it is getting. So we should also feel satisfied in whatever thing we get. Correct? If we are having the normal food also, we should feel happy and we should eat it. In this second stanza, the bird is singing sweetly, pouring all its emotions, and it is loving its surroundings. So we should also remain happy and we should love our surroundings. In third stanza, the poet tells us the bird is so courageous that it dives into the flowing river and takes the small droplets of water. So we should also be courageous and ready to face the situations at all circumstances. So we will try to be satisfied in whatever thing we get. We will try to be happy at all circumstances and we will be courageous. Children, if you like this explanation, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.